Hey guys, Scotty Wrenches here. We're taking a little detour from being under a car to actually working on a fence. I'm going to show you a little project that I'm working on, replacing our fence. But one of the problems that folks often have is removing these 4x4s from the ground. I'm going to show you the simplest way for ones that are intact, like that one, as well as ones that are broken off at ground level, like this one. Stay tuned. So, for example, here is a 4x4 that's in the ground at the corner that I need to remove in order to run down that line. There's a new one that's already been removed, replaced, and this is what we're building. So we're going to make it look really nice when we're done. But these, I did a circle dig around it, wagging it back and forth, doing this nasty squat activity to try to pull these things out. Got really tiring. So now I figured out the best way to do this, which, as I've said before, leverage and brute strength are your friend, but leverage is a bigger friend to make you use less brute strength. So I really should remove these other connections to the fence before doing this because, well, it's just more weight to lift. But I just want to show you how effective this is. So what I've done is I actually just screwed a 2x4 block to the side of this 4x4, set up two on the ground, so I've got a leverage point here, and then we're going to use a tool that probably most folks have if they've done any gardening work, which is a Mattix. So we just literally put the flat blade of the Mattix underneath right there. Get your pivot point right there. Give it a good strong tug from right here. And we're going to watch right down there. And we're going to start seeing that edge lift up. All right, so Mattix will go onto the block, flat blade underneath of the 2x4 that I have screwed onto the 4x4, and you'll see I'll just start leaning and up she comes. No sweat, simple work. I'm blocking up one more time and then up she comes. So there you go. That's the simplest way that I have found to remove a 4x4 from the ground. I'll have a hole open and then I will just literally drop the other one right back in because I'm just removing and replacing. So again, this was my setup right here. Head there, blade there, lean back from here. Up she comes. Hope that helps somebody because some of these guys are doing chains and hijacks and all kinds of stuff, and I just have to tell you, this has been the simplest way for me to get it out. It even pulls it out if there's water down in the hole. You get some water down there, you got a vacuum effect, you're in trouble. This will still just jack them right out, no problem. Hope that helps. I'll show you how you do the broken one in another video. As always, this is Scotty Wrenches signing off. We'll be under a hood soon, but just thought I'd give you a little quick tip on how to fix a fence, making it faster, easier, less backbreaking. Again, leverage and brute force, always your friend. Remember to like and subscribe. I'll talk to you soon.